5 tips to recover faster after HIIT sessions.
High-intensity interval training pushes your body to its limits, but smart recovery helps you come back stronger. Discover 5 science-backed tips to speed up your recovery after HIIT workouts. These strategies can help reduce soreness, prevent injury, and ensure you get the most out of your next session.
1. Prioritize post-workout nutrition.
Refuel your body within 30 to 60 minutes of finishing HIIT. Consuming a mix of protein and carbohydrates helps repair muscle tissue and restores depleted energy stores. Try pairing lean proteins like chicken or yogurt with complex carbs such as brown rice or fruit to kickstart your recovery.
2. Stay hydrated.
Replace lost fluids to aid muscle repair and prevent fatigue. Intense exercise, especially HIIT, leads to significant sweat loss. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and consider including electrolytes if you sweat heavily. Good hydration supports circulation and flushes out metabolic waste.
3. Get enough sleep.
Sleep is when your body does most of its repair work. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Deep sleep helps muscles recover, balances hormones, and reduces inflammation, all essential for rebounding after tough HIIT workouts.
4. Try active recovery.
Gentle movement promotes blood flow and reduces soreness. Activities like walking, light cycling, or stretching the day after your HIIT session can help clear lactic acid and aid muscle repair. Avoid complete inactivity, which can lead to stiffness.
5. Incorporate foam rolling or massage.
Release muscle tension and boost circulation with self-massage or foam rolling. These techniques can help break down knots, reduce muscle tightness, and speed up the recovery process. Spend a few minutes targeting sore areas to promote flexibility and reduce pain.
Recover smarter, train stronger.
By following these 5 expert tips, you can speed up recovery after HIIT and make every workout count. Listen to your body, nurture your muscles, and remember, effective recovery is the key to consistent progress and preventing injuries.